So this is part of a cooking class, and before you go cooking, you go and buy your ingredients everywhere. Here you have all the fresh vegetables that you need for creating your Thai dishes. Good morning. It is Saturday morning around 7:30 and I'm here in the Si Lom District in front of the Sri Maha Mariamman Temple, and this is the famous Indian temple which is here in the heart of Si Lom. But I'm not here for the Indian temple. I want to show you a cool morning market. And if you happen to be in Bangkok, I can definitely recommend to come and have a look here. And this is a very local market. This is Soi Pradit or Si Lom Soi 20. And this is a perfect market if you want to come and try some Thai food. So this street closes off in the weekend. It normally starts around 6 o'clock. And here you can get all your Thai food. Sawadee krap. Your fruits and vegetables. So this is part of a cooking class. If you participate in the Ting Li cooking class, you can come here and you buy your ingredients right here on the street and in the market. And that's actually a really nice way to get to learn more about Thai food. Here you have all the fresh vegetables that you need for creating your Thai dishes. Sawadee krap. You know, this is one of the things that I really love about Bangkok, and especially in the weekends. You have so many street markets all over town. So this happens to be in Si Lom. And there's a tour here. This market opens daily and it starts at 6 o'clock in the morning and it closes at midday. So this is a morning market, and of course in the weekend it's busier and then you have a lot more people coming by. So this market connects between Si Lom and Surawong, and as you can see there are barely any foreigners in here. This is really a market for the Thai people in the area here. and the majority is actually fruits. This is interesting, you have amulets. As I showed in the beginning of this video, this is next to the most important Hindu temple in Bangkok. So let's go and have a look in there as well. Very interesting temple, and here in front of the temple you can buy flowers if you want to make an offering. Here you have the mosque. You know, this is what I love so much about Bangkok. You have the modern Bangkok, where you have the big shopping malls, the new buildings, the King Power Mahanakhon, and then you also have these kind of markets where you still have the traditional Thai way of life, and you have the mix of all the religions. So in the beginning we had a Hindu temple, here you have a mosque, and obviously this is a Buddhist country, and there's a church in here as well. Hello. สวัสดีครับ
Thailand amazing
Okay. ครับ 100% agree. Amazing Thailand. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Pradit Street here, or Si Lom Soi 20. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.